It is Tuesday, October 18th, 2022. And it's 37 degrees outside, so we're going to be firing up the furnace. There's an air handler to the heat pump. I got a bit distracted while making this video because the heat pump went into defrost as I was about to turn on the thermostat for the furnace. But yeah, the furnace is up and running now. Oh, then, and my flashlight is having a seizure. I'm gonna need to replace the battery soon or something. I don't know what kind of batteries these things use. It's coming out at about 98. There's a cat out there. It's hovering between 93 and 95. And whenever I let go of the trigger, it comes out a lot more clearer. So it's definitely gonna need new batteries soon. And this vent's kind of broken, so that thing is, the little cover down there is stuck shut, so it's not able to get through as easily. And there's the heat pump out there, and the flue pipe is behind that satellite. Normally when I do these videos, I shut off the system after about 10 minutes of running it, but since it's so cold outside, I'm just gonna leave it running. But yeah, that about wraps up this video, and over and out.